Hello everyone, today we will learn about time zones. So what are time zones? Time is not the same everywhere on the earth, so different places experience day and night at different times. So this difference leads to the concept of the time zones. Latitudes help locate places north and south, and longitude helps locate places east and west. So the time calculation depends only on longitude. So the earth rotates on its axis from west to east. So one complete rotation takes about 24 hours. So this rotation causes the day and night. Earth is divided into 360 degree of longitude. So it rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. Therefore it rotates 15 degree in 1 hour. Okay. So the local time is the time of a particular place. It depends on the position of the sun. Noon occurs when the sun is overhead. Places on different longitudes have different local times. Even nearby towns had differences in local times. This created confusion in daily life. And local time caused problems in transport. Sometimes travel and train schedules became confusing. So a common time system was needed. So standard time is a uniform time for a country. It is based on a selected central meridian. So all places in the country follow it. The prime meridian is located at 0 degree longitude. It passes through Greenwich in England. It is a reference line for world time. Okay. Now we will talk about the Greenwich Mean Time. The Greenwich Mean Time GMT is the time at 0 degree longitude. It is commonly used in some textbooks as world time. So modern global systems uses UTC. So Earth is divided into 24 time zones. So ideally, each time zone covers 15 degree of longitude. So in practice, boundaries vary due to political and practical reasons. Now the time increases when we move eastward. Time decreases when we move westward. This happens because Earth rotates from west to east. Alright. So the time difference depends on longitude difference. 15 degree of longitude equals 1 hour. Smaller differences are calculated in minutes. A difference of 30 degree equals 2 hours. Places east of GMT add time and places at west of GMT subtract time. Now we understand the international date line roughly follows 180 degree longitude. It separates two consecutive calendar dates, so it mainly passes through the Pacific Ocean. Alright. So crossing the date line eastward subtracts 1 day and crossing the date line westward adds 1 day. So the date changes but local time remains nearly the same. Alright. So the international date line is zigzag in shape. It avoids passing through land areas, but this prevents confusion within the countries. So now India follows Indian Standard Time, IST. So IST is based on 82 degree 30 east longitude. It passes near Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. It is written as GMT plus 5:30. So the entire country follows IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, India uses only one time zone, so this ensures the uniformity and administrative ease. It helps in the transport and in the communication. But some countries have multiple time zones. Why this has happened? Because this is due to large east-west extent. For example, include the USA, Russia, or Canada. A world map shows all the time zones. It is centered on the prime meridian and it also helps understand the global time differences. Now the time zones help organize daily lives. They help us make global travel and trade possible. They help coordinate international activities. Also, the airlines depend on time zone calculations. So flight schedules use UTC as a reference time. So this avoids the confusion for the travelers. Now modern technology depends on time coordination. Global systems use UTC. So satellite and internet services rely on it. And local time is the time of a particular place. So standard time is the official time of a country. So GMT and UTC are global time references. Alright. Sometimes students often confuse east and west directions. They forget to divide longitude by 15. So minutes are sometimes ignored in the calculations. Okay, Earth rotates 15 degree in 1 hour, so that east adds time and west subtracts time. So the international date line changes the date only. So the time zones are based on Earth's rotation. They help maintain uniform time worldwide. So they are essential for modern life. Here is the practice set begins. What is the angular distance between two time zones? Next, which line is the reference for world time? Indian Standard Time is based on which longitude? The Earth rotates dash degrees in 1 hour. The prime meridian is located as dash longitude. The international date line roughly follows dash longitude. So what is mean by standard time? Why is the prime meridian important? What is the international date line? Find the time difference between two places located 45 degree apart in longitude. Shows the steps clearly. If it is 10 a.m. at GMT, what will be the time at 30 degree east longitude? Explain your answer. Explain why India follows only one time zone. Mention any three advantages. Locate and label on a world map prime meridian, international date line, and any two time zones. So rest the answers you also can tally at the back of all the slides. Hope you understand this easy chapter of time zones. See you in the next session.